guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and since today is National Card Making Day, I thought we would make a card. This is going to be a little bit different card, and it's going to be a little bit of an experiment. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but I got from Arteza, and my boxes already fell apart, but from Arteza I got a 48 colors of glitter. Now, let me tell you, I am not a huge fan of glitter. I love things that sparkle, but I don't like loose glitter that much. But I do like it in my shaker cards and things like that. Things that it won't come off of on your hands or all over your work surface. So we're going to work a little bit with glitter. These are all the ones that they sent me, and I know you can't see the colors and that kind of thing because they're in this little container. Let's see if I can turn them over that way. There we go. Tons and tons of glitter. These are the little bottles that they come in. They do have a great sale on these right now if anyone's interested in them. I will put that link below, and then I'll put a coupon code down there for you to get 15% more off. I think they're already 64% off, and then you get 15% more off if you use that coupon code. But we're going to use these today, and this is silver. It says titanium silver and solar gold, so we're going to use those two. They come in this little bottle that's, whoops, see, I opened it the wrong way. It's got a little top like that. So now that I've got a little bit of loose glitter there, I'm going to show you what I use to clean it up. I just use a lint brush. It picks it right up. Doesn't hurt anything else. Doesn't hurt your card or anything like that. So I just use this. When it gets yucky, I just take that, peel that one off and use it again. I've been using that for years. It's better than any lint thing that or I know they've got some special little cloths or something out there for loose glitter, but that is a whole lot better than that because I've tried those cloths too and they don't work that well. Alright, so we're going to use some of our clear acetate. This is what we sell in the store. It's thicker than a lot of it that's out there, but I like the thickness of it. It holds your card up really well. The only thing is when I try to get that backing off. It has a protective backing on it so that it doesn't get all scuffed up. And then I cut this out with my Cricut. Alright, so we're going to put this down on there, on the back, just like that. And I'm going to use some score tape because I know the score tape will hold everything down well and it won't squish out from in between. We're just going to put some score tape down. Okay, this is going to be a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. So we are going to stick that right at the top. It looks like I almost got my score tape too thick. Let's see. I trim that off just a tiny bit right there. There we go. Okay, so that is the front part of our shaker card. Then I just have a top folding card here, so it's going to go like that. And we are going to use some foam tape on here. I'm just going to pull some off, and I'm probably going to cut it in half. This is a very, very fine glitter. It almost feels like a powder. So I think it's going to look pretty, but it's probably going to seep through the little holes if I leave any. So I'm going to try to seal everything up really well. Now I want my star to be a different color than the tree. So on this part right here, I am going to put down another little piece. Glue it down really well. And yes, it is going to show from the front side, but I'll show you what we're going to do with that in a little bit. So let's put our glitter in here very carefully. Okay. those up. Now we are going to carefully take the backing off of this, hopefully. I don't want to pop the card because I don't want that glitter to go all over. Okay, we have the backing off of all of that. Now I'm going to scoot that over just a little bit, and I'm going to take my tree that cut out of there. I'm going to lay it on this green piece right here, and I just want to get an idea of where it's going to sit. I'm not going to trace it or anything. I'm just putting some little marks around it, because now I am going to take my bling and I'm going to put bling all around in that little area there. Like I said, this is trial and error, so we don't know if this is going to work, but we think it is. These are going to be my little lights. Okay, we have those on there, and then we're going to slide our card back over. We're going to put this down right over that tape there, and then just press it down really, really well. We're going to flip it over and see what we've got. Oh, I like it. It's cute. You can see it's like snow in the bottom, and then you see the little bling on there. That is cute. Now we're going to go ahead and put some more of the foam tape on the back of this and glue it down to our card. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back with my art glitter glue, and all in the between this tape I'm going to put a bead of art glitter glue. The reason I'm doing this is because, like I said, that glitter is very, very fine, and I don't want it, if some of this tape loosens up, I don't want that glitter coming out all over somebody. So I'm running a bead around through there to seal that up really, really well. We do not want this coming out. If somebody doesn't like glitter like me, they don't want to pick up the card and then it come out all over them. So anywhere I see a little opening, I am filling it up with glue. There we go. Now we will flip this over and put it down on our card base. Just like that. Uh-oh. I had a little bit of art glitter glue right there on my finger, but that will dry clear, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. Now I'm going to take a sentiment from that paper collection that we've been using all week and on the Christmas training. It's called Celebrate Christmas, and we're just going to put that right down here, bottom, just like that. And then I told you that we would cover that right there up with something. Okay, we made a cute little bow, and we're going to put that right there. That's a cute bow for me anyway, because I am not so great at making bows. Let me see, especially with this single-sided ribbon. Sometimes that is trial and error. So we're going to put that right there, and I'm going to use a glue dot, if I can find my glue dots. Okay. The glue dots came off all over me, so we'll just grab those off of myself. Put that down right across there, just like that. And then I want to cut this side just a little bit better. A bit more at an angle. And I'm going to squirt a little bit of glue up under there to hold that knot like it is. So there is our card. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And when that little bell pops up, click that bell so that you'll be notified every time that we put up a new video. I hope you can see how pretty that is in there. See the glistening, and then you've got those little beads in the background. And then you could even go ahead and on the outside put more if you wanted more to show. I kind of like that You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to go around this with my white marker to just kind of bring some of that out. I'm just going to put some stitch marks around it. There we go. I think that is super cute. But if you want to grab some of this glitter, like I said, it's a very fine glitter. It almost feels like a powder. And it's great for shaker cards and great for other projects, I am sure. But if you want to grab some of that, I'll put that link below as well as the discount code. And we will talk to you guys later.